Hello, sweet tooths. Today we're making an amazing recipe that only needs one ingredient. Here, I have a 70% cocoa chocolate bar, 200 grams, but you can use whichever chocolate you prefer. First, I wash my hands, take out the chocolate bar, and chop it up. Although, if you want to save even more time, you could buy chocolate that already comes in chips or pre-chopped. The idea is to grab a knife and cut the chocolate into more or less small pieces so that everything becomes easier for you. We're gonna put this directly into your blender jar or into a jar that's suitable for working with a hand blender. Next, boil or heat the water. And when it's nice and hot, pour it into a glass and measure out 200 milliliters, just a regular glass of water. I'm weighing it so you can see that the measurements are exact. The same amount of water as chocolate. And into the pitcher with it. Now we'll cover it, take it to the machine, and give it a good spin on medium or high power for at least 5 minutes. Because the goal here is for this to fill up with little air bubbles. After that time, you'll have a different texture. Look how warm it still is inside. A dense texture, but with that touch of little bubbles inside that makes it softer. So, even though it has quite a bit of strength, it will be smooth on the palate. You can enjoy it at room temperature, even a little warm, but I recommend you keep it in the fridge to eat it denser and cooler, like I do here. Look how amazing this looks. A rich chocolate cream just the way you like it. Because you can make it like this with a lot of chocolate, with lots and lots of cocoa. Incredible how it melts in your mouth. You can make it with milk chocolate, chocolate with less cocoa, a mix of both, more or less sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, orange, or anything you like. Always delicious, delicious. I'll put you here, and I'm gonna say the ingredients. The ingredient I've used and the proportions, so that it always turns out right for you. In fact, a couple of 0 to 0.